Hi guys and welcome to Priyanka's tutoring classes. So today we are going to continue with module 1, that is triple integration. Double integration is already completed in my previous video. So let's start with triple integration. The question for triple integration is x square plus y square plus z square. Here we are going to integrate it 3 times, once for the z, once for the y and once for the x. So the question arises is which term we have to integrate first. Whichever term is here first, that you have to integrate first. Here z is there. So we are going to start with integrating z. So the foremost thing what you are going to do is you are going to have the formula book beside you, or either you are going to by heart the formulas. So I will keep the first two terms as it is, and to integrate with respect to z. For x square, when there is no z, so when there is no z, there we get a z term plus y square z. Now we have z square here. After we integrate z square, it becomes z cube by 3. Don't forget to write your limits. Your limit is minus a by 8. Let's separate the z terms. We have to write this as I is equals to so if you separate the z terms, x square will come outside and z will be here. Limits are minus a and a, plus y square will be outside. Z will have the terms minus a and a, plus 1 by 3 will be outside. Z cube will have the terms minus a and a. So here after integrating x, we are left with dy by dx. Here also we are left with dy by dx. Now what you are going to do, you are going to substitute the z values, that is upper limit minus lower limit. So I will show you how to solve this. See, upper limit minus lower limit. Here we have z, right? So it is going to be a minus of minus a. So a plus a, it will be 2a. So I hope this is clear for z term. And for z cube, we have a cube minus of minus a cube, that is a cube plus a cube, we get 2a cube. So I hope this is clear. I have separately solved and showed so that you don't get confused for z also as well as z cube also. So we will substitute the values. I is equals to minus c of c minus b of b x square. What is the value for this will be as 2a plus y square. The value for this also will be 2a plus 1 by 3, and value for this will be 2a cube dy by dx. I hope this much is clear. Now what we will do, we will simplify these terms for the next integration. Simplify in sense, just make it simpler and in a more in a more standard way. Now here we will write this as 2a x square plus we will write this as 2a y square plus we will write this as 2a cube by 3 dy by dx. So now z integration is completed. Now what we are going to do, we are going to integrate the next term. Which is the next term? The next term is y. So let's integrate for y. So this is what you got after integration for the z. Now we are going to solve it for y. The minus c by c will stay as it is, and this limit will go because we are solving it for y. Here there is no y term. So what we'll get? 2ax square by y plus here we already have y square. So after integration y square becomes 2a will remain as it is, y square becomes y cube by 3 plus here there is no y term, so we get a y term here and we are remained with dx. Now we will separate the y terms and put their limits. Here also you are supposed to put the limits. So this is what you get after integrating. Now we will substitute the limits and separate the y values. Here you get 2ax square, y separated with the limits are minus b and b, plus 2a by 3, y cube is separated with the limits minus b by b, plus 2a cube by 3 is separated with y with the limits minus b and b. We are left with dx. So I will show you how to solve this. For y, we have minus b and b. So if you substitute the upper limit, it is b minus of minus b. It becomes b plus b. It is 2b. And y cube, same. The limits are same. Now we will just substitute. What is the upper limit? It's b cube minus of b cube. Then it becomes b cube plus b cube. It becomes 2b cube. Is it clear? See, for y and y minus both the terms, I have showed you separately so that you understand how we get this values. Now that values will substitute into your problem. So your next step is I is equals to minus of c 2ax square. This, what is your answer? 2b plus 2a by 3. Here your answer is 2b cube plus 2a cube by 3. Here your answer is 2b. You are left with dx. Now we have solved the integration for y terms. Now we are left with all the x terms. So we will solve it for the x. Next you are going to solve it for x. Before solving it for x, we will just simplify this. When you simplify this, 2 into this thing, you are going to get 4ab and x square separate plus 4ab cube by 3 plus 4a cube b by 3 dx. Now we will integrate this. Integrate this with respect to x. I is equals to 4ab will be as it is. X square becomes x cube by 3. It becomes x cube by 3 plus 4ab cube 3 will remain as it is, but here one x term will get added, and here also 4a cube by b by 3, 4a cube b by 3 will remain as it is, only x term will be added. And your limits are minus c to c. We will separate the x terms. After separating 4ab by 3 x cube with limits minus c to c plus 4ab cube by 3 with x limits minus c and c plus 4a cube b by 3 x minus c to c. Now this is like after integration you get this. Now we will solve for x, like we will substitute it. How I showed you for the two terms, right, y and z, like that only for x cube also. It's nothing new, it's the same. See, substitute the upper limit minus the lower limit. C cube plus c cube, it is going to be 2c cube. Same for x also. C minus of minus c plus c, 2c. Okay, so there is nothing new in this. We will substitute those values here. Is equals to 4ab by 3. This becomes 2c cube. Okay, plus 4ab cube by 3. It becomes 2c plus 4ab a cube b by 3. This also is 2c. Okay, I have just substituted this x values and I have written here, and then we will multiply this. 4 into 2, 8 a b c cube by 3 plus 4 into 2, 8 a b cube c by 3 plus 4 into 2, 8 a cube b c by 3 we will remove 8, A, B, C and 3 has common. Then we get C square. But why? Because 1C is already outside, only 2 are left. So C square plus B square plus A square. So this is your final answer. After you integrate it 3 times, one with respect to z, another with respect to y and another with respect to x. This is very simple problem, there's no difficult integration formula used, and this is a basic first problem for your triple integration. So that's it for the today's video. I hope every step is clear. If you have any doubts regarding any step, please don't forget to put them in the comment section. I'll make sure to reply to that. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and share it to all your friends. And we will continue with the module 1 in the next videos. Thank you.